Hey guys, Mobile Geezer here with a great little case that I picked up off Amazon for the OnePlus Nord N30. And believe me, for the price, I don't think you can beat this. It's a thin little silicone case made in China. But the price is $8.98, so I don't see how you're going to beat that. Of course, it's just thin silicone. Made cheaply, but for that price, I don't think you're going to do better. So let's take a quick look. So we'll get out of the box real quick, and for that price, 2 screen protectors, guys. And there's both your glass screen protectors. And you guys know me, I don't use screen protectors, but for those who do, this is a great deal, I think. So I just want to show you it's kind of flimsy, but for $9, at least you're getting a little protection, and I think it's a pretty good deal with the screen protectors. And there's your cutouts for your cameras, cutout for your power button on the right, cutout for your mic up top, left side button covers for your volume up and down. On the bottom, cutouts for your headphone jack. Yes, you get a headphone jack. And microphone, USB Type-C in, and speakers. So we'll pop the OnePlus Nord N30 into it. Pops right in, no fuss. So the very first thing I wanted to point out was the lip around the front. Yes, there is a lip, just barely enough, but enough that you shouldn't scratch your display if you lay it down face down. So looking at our camera cutouts, they look absolutely perfect. Our cutout for our mic up top also looks good. And our cutouts on the bottom all look to be lined up perfectly. So let's check our power button cutout. That seems to be just right. On the left, our volume up and down button covers, and they're working perfectly also. So here's a little cliche. Feels good in the hand, and it does. I just had to throw it in there. So that's your very affordable Yenapoon silicone case that I found on Amazon for the OnePlus Nord N30. And I think for the money, you're probably not going to do better. Minimal protection, but seems to do the job. And lots of color choices. Get a dark green, a light purple, a mint green, a navy blue, a red, a rose pink, and a yellow. And of course, you've seen mine in black. So, for the money, I think this is pretty good. Nice little thin silicone case. As always, comments are welcome. Thanks for watching. I'll leave a link in the description. And remember, if you like my content, please share the videos with friends, family, or whomever you think might be interested. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I upload. And please hit the thumbs up, as it does help with the algorithm.
Well, listen, there's one more thing.
We all do better when we love each other.